Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting and challenging exponential equation for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing 4 plus root 15 times 4 minus root 15 will be equal to 4 square minus root 15 square. Difference of two squares formula. This will be equal to 16 minus 15. So the product value would be 1. We are going to use this result. Let me write here 4 plus root 15 times 4 minus root 15 equal to 1. Now we will divide this equation by 4 plus root 15 both sides. So we'll write here 4 plus root 15. In the RHS also we will divide by 4 plus root 15. So we can cancel 4 plus root 15 from LHS. Conclusion is 4 minus root 15. We can write 1 over 4 plus root 15. And this value we are going to plug in here. We will get our equation 4 plus square root 15 with power x cube minus 5 plus 1 over 4 plus square root 15 with whole power x cube minus 5 equal to 488. Now we'll use exponent law. 1 over a whole power b. This is equal to 1 over a power b. So I can write equation 4 plus square root 15 with power x cube minus 5 plus 1 over 4 plus root 15 with power x cube minus 5 equal to 488. Now our substitution is clear. We will consider 4 plus square root 15 with power x cube minus 5 equal to suppose y. So here we can write this is 1 over y, where y cannot be equal to 0 for real x. So we can write our equation y plus 1 over y equal to 488. This is our assumption. Now y cannot be 0, so we can multiply both sides by y. Let's multiply by y as y cannot be 0. So we will get one quadratic in y square plus 1 equal to 488 times y. Or I can write our quadratic y square minus 488y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation for the value of y. I will compare our equation with ax square plus bx plus c or ay square plus by plus c, and we can write a equal to 1, b equal to negative 488 and c equal to 1. Let me write equation once. Y square minus 488 times y plus 1 equal to 0. So our quadratic formula will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values. We will get minus of minus 488 plus minus square root of b square. So minus 488 whole square is 488 whole square. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus 4 times a is 1. C is also 1. Denominator will be 2 times a, 2 times 1. So we'll write 2. Will be equal to 488 plus minus square root of. We'll write 488 whole square as it is. Then 4 times 1 is 4, which is square of 2. We are writing in this form so that we can apply a square minus b square formula over here. Value will be equal to 488 plus minus square root of. We'll write 488 plus 2. Let me write here 488 plus 2 in one bracket and 488 minus 2 in second bracket over 2. This will be equal to 488 plus minus square root of 490 times 486 divided by 2. Now we will factor 490 and 486. Let me write here the value of y equal to 488 plus minus square root of 490 times 486 over 2. So if I will write factors of 490, then I can write easily 2 times 5 times 7 square. And if I will write factors of 486, I can write here 2 times 3 raised to the power 5. Let's plug in both the values over there. We will get y equal to 488 plus minus square root of. We'll write 2 times 5 times 7 square times 2 times 3 power 5 over 2. Or I can write 488 plus minus square root of. 2 is there 2 times, so we'll write 2 power 2. 7 is there 2 times, 7 square is already written. 3 power 5 we will write 3 power 4 times 3. Then we have 5 over 2. This will be equal to 488 plus minus. We'll write 2 times 7 times 3 square root of 3 times 5. Let me write 15 directly over 2. Now 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 9, it is equal to 126. So I can write 488 plus minus 126 square root 15 over 2. Now we have to divide our numerator numbers by 2. We will get y value. Let me write here y equal to 488 over 2, 244 plus minus 126 over 2, 63 square root 15. So we have two y values, 244 plus 63 root 15, 244 minus root 15 times 63. Now I will consider splitting of numbers 244 and 63. So I can write y will be equal to 244, we can write 64 plus 180. 63 we can split 15 plus 48. So we can write plus minus 15 root 15 plus minus 48 root 15. Now we can write 64. Let me rearrange the numbers first. So I can write 64 first. Then we'll write our third term 15 root 15. Then we'll write 48 root 15. Then we'll write plus 180. Now 64 can be written as 4 cube. So I can write 4 cube here. 15 root 15 is root 15 whole cube. So I will put plus minus sign and I will write here root 15 whole cube. Now there is 48 root 15, which I can write 3 times 4 square. This is 48. 3 times 16 is 48 times root 15. Then we'll write 180 as 3 times 4 times root 15 square. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 15 is 180. Now this is replicating one algebraic identity. Once I will consider 4 equal to A, root 15 equal to B. I can write A with plus sign, A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. With minus sign, we'll put minus here, we'll put minus here. So here we have one algebraic identity, A plus B whole cube and A minus B whole cube. So in total I can write A plus minus B whole cube. So we can write our RHS equal to, LHS is Y, RHS will be equal to 4 plus minus square root 15 whole cube. Now Y was our substitution. Let me write here Y equal to 4 plus minus square root 15 whole cube. Y will be 4 plus root 15 with power x cube minus 5. This was Y equal to, we'll write 4 plus root 15 whole cube with plus sign in between and 4 minus root 15 whole cube with minus sign in between. Now we will write two equations. First one, second one. So let me write here first one. I will write 4 plus root 15 with power x cube minus 5 equal to 4 plus root 15 whole cube. Now we know that from the exponent laws, a power b equal to a power c. We can write b equal to c. Bases are same. We will compare powers. So 3 will be equal to x cube minus 5. Let's write x cube minus 5 equal to 3. We'll add 5 to both sides. We'll get x cube equal to 8. And 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now we will consider cube root for real x. We will get x equal to 2. Our first real solution. Now we are going to consider our second equation. We will write 4 plus root 15 with power x cube minus 5 equal to 4 minus root 15 whole cube. This is our second solution. Now we know that 4 minus root 15 was 1 over 4 plus root 15 whole cube. Again we will use one exponent law. 1 over a whole power is b. We can write anytime 1 over a power b. So here I can write 1 over a whole power b equal to 1 over 4 plus root 15 whole cube. Now 1 over a power b can be written as a power minus b. This is our second exponent law which we are going to use in RHS. So I can write 4 plus square root 15 with power x cube minus 5 will be equal to 4 plus square root 15 with negative 3 power. Now our bases are same. We'll compare exponents. So I can write x cube minus 5 equal to negative 3. Add 5 to both sides. We will get x cube equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Now we will take cube root both sides for the real values of x. We will get x equal to cube root of 2. So here we have our second solution or second real solution. So let me write here. Final answer is x equal to 2 and x equal to cube root of 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.